Speed up cash flow and eliminate paper with Mobile Force Delivery from Amtech. Mobile Force will manage your fleet and drive down delivery costs, all from a rugged device. Key features include paperless proof of delivery with electronic signature capture, instant paperless invoicing, vendor-managed inventory with barcode scanning. Drivers can even place reorders on the spot. Powerful fleet management capabilities will reduce fuel costs through GPS use while automatically creating DOT reports and building a database for driver logs and fuel tax returns. With advances in wireless and GPS networks coupled with rugged mobile devices, your company can now focus on controlling cost in your shipping department like never before. Not only are you able to analyze costs, you are better serving your customers with a Windows mobile-based delivery application, bringing your office right to the customer's site. Your shipping operation can become paperless as trailer and truck inspections are completed right on the mobile device. Drivers can make notes on inspection points, both written and verbal, and take pictures if necessary. These inspections can be viewed through a robust management console that not only tracks inspections, but gives you a live view of exactly where your entire shipping fleet is currently located, what they have delivered, and when they are expected to arrive at each of their stops. You can now track the actual costs of your delivery operation and allocate them to customer stops and drivers. As soon as a driver leaves the yard, an advanced shipping notice email is sent to all customers on that trip with a manifest of what is being delivered, as well as an optional estimated time of arrival. Customer wait to dock times are tracked as the driver notes when he arrived at the customer yard and what time he actually docked, allowing your company to benchmark customer wait and unload speeds. The driver is paperless as weight and footage are shown right on the device. The driver clicks on Unload to note when a product has been delivered and can even do an over-under correction right on the device. This eliminates the need for credit memos as the delivery receipt is corrected right on the dock prior to invoicing. This real-time information is available to your shipping manager and customer service reps, so when a customer calls, they have the most up-to-date information possible through the delivery management console. In the past, while waiting to be unloaded, a driver's time has been underutilized. With this rugged mobile device, you have empowered your drivers to bring your office straight to the customer's site. Drivers can help to manage consignment inventory programs by taking physical inventories right at the customer's site. The device has a built-in scanner to allow for lightning-fast, accurate inventories. The system will automatically calculate consumption and auto-generate invoices for the consumed product. Customers sign for a product right on the device. As soon as the signature is made, a proof of delivery email is sent to your customer with the signature included, along with your invoice as a PDF attachment. This speeds up cash flow and eliminates work back in the office. Your driver has been empowered like never before. He can book reorders and releases right on the mobile device, bringing the ability to serve your customers to a whole new level and to help set you apart from the competition. Inventory back at the plant can easily be seen so you know what is available to release to the customer. You can even notify them of inventory of an item that has fallen below a minimum and suggest they book a replenishment order. Customer service then sees these remotely created orders and can review them for correctness prior to saving it as an open order in the system. General customer complaints, as well as specific issues with a certain order, can be generated right on the device through the Returns Good module. Both typed and voice notes can be taken, as well as pictures of the defective product. These can then be reviewed by your QA department through the management console. An RGA manifest email is sent with all the details for the return to your customer and your internal CSR, immediately notifying them that there is a problem. As mentioned before, general customer comments and complaints can be verbally taken on the device, eliminating the need for typing out long messages. You can now streamline your delivery operation like never before. You can now send emails and PDFs when messy paperwork used to be the norm. Everything is kept digitally, so signed paperwork is never lost or misplaced. With a single click, a CSR can resend a proof of delivery with invoice attached when requested by the customer. Driver and customer efficiencies are now realized and can be posted just like your machine efficiencies in the plant. For each customer shipped to, wait to dock can be paralleled to setup time, with pallet unload speed paralleling run speeds. With shipping costs being an ever-increasing part of your business, it's important that they are managed properly. A 10% reduction in your shipping costs can put over $15,000 right to your bottom line every year per tractor trailer. Drivers can be incentivized by reducing a customer wait to dock and unload times based on standards you have set up in the system. Your invoice is the same, but as a digital PDF attached to email. Your customer will be emailed an advanced shipping notice with optional estimated time of delivery as soon as your truck leaves the yard. Information on cost to operate a trailer, and then quantify cost savings potential. Customer delivery efficiency report, average wait time, and average unload speed. Graphical breakdown of cost to operate a trailer for average box plant. Driver efficiency report, estimated versus actual wait time and estimated versus actual unload speeds with efficiency percentage. Resend of an invoice email with PDF invoice attached. Signed proof of delivery with PDF invoice attached that is automatically sent to your customer. Return goods email notification will go to your customer's receiver and to the internal CSR. By posting your efficiency reports, you can help to motivate your entire shipping team to focus on improving efficiencies at problem customers, as well as get underperforming drivers to increase their efficiencies as well. The expected ROI for the product is less than 18 months, with only a 5% increase in efficiencies. Graph generated from Delivery Console available in Windows and web formats to report customer wait to dock times averaging greater than 30 minutes. These reports can be created by the user on the fly and saved for future use. Graph of customers' unload speed. These customers are unloading at a rate slower than 5 minutes per pallet. Graph of driver performance against standards for wait to dock and unload speeds. Through the Delivery Management Console, you can see summarized delivery information down to the specific details of each shipment. You can see pictures of inspection points, as well as pictures of returned product. Drivers no longer need to keep a paper log. Reviewing truck and trailer inspections in the Delivery Console. Bringing up a failure with a picture of a failed inspection point taken from the mobile device. Reviewing a driver's log in the Delivery Console. This is automatically generated on the mobile device as the driver leaves the yard, arrives, docks, and then leaves stops. Drivers can manually enter in unscheduled stops, fueling, lunches, and when he clocks out. Reviewing a driver's state miles in the Delivery Console. Odometer readings are taken on the device when crossing state lines, and mileage is totaled up for each driver and state. In reviewing the location of your truck fleet in relation to the plant, you can see where each truck is located as well as the estimated arrival time at their next stop. You can also type in a specific customer or vendor address to determine which truck can make the unexpected pickup or backhaul. Checking for live traffic is also available on Google Maps. You can call out or send text messages to drivers to alert them to yellow or red areas where traffic may be slow due to construction or accidents. You also have the ability for satellite view, so you can zoom in on drivers' locations when they seem off course to verify they're at a truck stop or refueling. You can click on specific drivers' trips to see what stops he has currently completed, review digital signatures, voice notes, and type notes he has made out about that stop. You also have the ability to see, in detail, every order on the stop, and if there was an RGA entered against that order. If returning product, the customer must sign for the RGA. You can not only see the entire truck fleet, but you can also focus on a specific driver's trip in Google Maps. Each stop is a pin, and when you click on the pin, important information such as an actual and estimated arrival times are available, as well as the number of orders and units to be delivered. So when a customer calls, you can tell them within seconds exactly what is headed their way and when the truck should be there.
Speed up cash flow and eliminate paper with Mobile Force Delivery from Amtech.
Contact us at sales@amtechsoftware.net or by dialing 215-639-9540.